first thing you want to do is make sure your Mac is plugged in. I pressed the power button on, I pressed Command and R, and I held it until I saw this loading screen. If you see this loading screen, you are good to let go. After the loading screen, you're going to see Mac OS Utilities, and we're going to go all the way from the top, tippy top, down to Disk Utility, and we can open that. Alright, so this is going to erase everything on your hard drive except for the operating system. So what you're going to do is you're going to click Mac HD, Erase, there's the APFS, let it do its thing, and complete. So we need to now exit out of this screen. So you can press the red X. Alright, so we need stable Wi-Fi for the next bit. We are going to connect to our home network. Again, make sure it's a stable, good connection, because there can be errors. Click Reinstall Mac OS, continue. And here are some of the errors that I got. Recovery server can't be contacted. Same. So I tried resetting my Wi-Fi. Another weird error showed up, but I promise it will work. Just keep trying. We're almost done. We're just gonna let it install. And mine took about 10 to 15 minutes. And then you go through your screens, language, keyboard, Wi-Fi, etc. And when you get to the screen where it asks dark or light mode, that's the last one, and you'll be able to boot up with a fresh operating system. Thanks for watching.